You've been lied to. No, dropshipping isn't dead. Amazon isn't your only ticket. And no, you don't need a warehouse, a logo, or a perfect product to make real money online. Here's the uncomfortable truth most gurus conveniently leave out. Selling online isn't about luck. It's about knowing the exact steps, in the exact order, at the exact time. Because while 97% are still stuck trying to build their brand, the top 3% are running conversion machines with ugly pages and 0 followers, yet they're raking it in. The Selling Online Challenge flips the script. No fluff, no filler, just raw, step-by-step execution that makes your first or next sale feel inevitable. You'll learn how to attract buyers before you even have a product, how to craft offers so good they stop the scroll mid-thumb, and how to stack income streams like a digital warlord. It's not a webinar, it's not a masterclass. It's a challenge, which means you do the work while we guide the path. So if you're tired of pretending your online hustle is getting there, and you're ready to finally punch the internet in the face with a profit funnel, this is your shot. The Selling Online Challenge starts now.